Nutty oats, tangy sweet raspberries and refreshing coconut flakes, that's almost all you need to prepare this power breakfast. These quick and easy overnight oats are full of nutritious chia seeds and a healthy amount of yummy raspberries. We will be preparing the oats in a jar so they are easy to store in the fridge and ready for you in the morning to grab and take them to the office. So let's get started with the recipe. We are starting with adding the oats to a bowl. We add 1 cup of any plant-based milk, and 1 heaped tablespoon of chia seeds. We sweeten with 1 small spoon of agave syrup, and then we mix it all up. Over time, the milk will be absorbed by the oats and the chia seeds. So we keep this aside and we continue with the raspberries. We are adding the raspberries to a bowl and we mash them with a fork. We transfer the mashed berries to a mason jar. To the mashed berries, we are adding the chia oats. And as last, we are adding the tablespoon of mashed berries on top. So we have 3 layers. In the very last step, I'm adding some fresh raspberries on top. And I sprinkle some coconut flakes on top of the raspberries. So this was my super easy recipe for overnight oats with raspberries, and I really hope you enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.